Hey, good morning. This is a walk around of the 78 black Trans Am with gold stripes and tan interior. Just going to do a walk around of any paint flaws that I see. There's a touch up here. What we'll do is go in and remove that old paint, go in and fill it in and with black and then clear and sand it down. Overall, the hood and the paint's pretty gorgeous. Tires and wheels are really nice, and there's an amazing reflection in the car all the way down. All the doors and everything line up nice. All of that. The touch up here where they set the T-tops down on that corner, and then we've removed these stripes that are pretty faded all the way down. We're going to replace those. Overall, pretty beautiful. Again, we're replacing the stripe where it was pretty faded, where there's an imperfection, like in that stripe right there. We're removing that. So we owned the car 8 years ago, and it had this paint job and this stripe job on it. And you can see how the stripe faded compared to the decals. So we're replacing that. That's a typical thing. Overall, other than a couple of door edge chips here and there, and a chip that we'll fix and repair there, overall she's pretty tight. Same thing up here where the T-top, where they probably dropped the corner of the T-top on it. Overall, absolutely beautiful. No marks on the edge of the hood or any of that.